A very good morning, children. Today's science class we are going to see lesson 1, book bag. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. Which of these is an example for biotic factor? So its an answer is goat. Our environment is surrounded by both biotic and abiotic factors. Abiotic factors. Our environment is surrounded by both biotic and abiotic factors. Human beings depend on plants for their food. Green plants are the primary producers. Which is an example for decomposer? Bacteria. Which of these living things would die if there were no green plants on earth? This 4 is the correct answer. So A, B, C and D. Okay. So everything, living things would die if there were no green plants in our earth. That means all living, this man, this dog, lion and cow, everybody will be die. Next, second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. Dash is a consumer cow. Dash is a consumer cow. A young plant is known as sapling. A young plant is known as sapling. Planting of sapling provides oxygen. Planting of sapling provides oxygen. World Environment Day is June 5th. World Environment Day is June 5th. Decomposers get food from dead plants and animals. Decomposers get food from dead plants and animals. Okay, cuties, this page answer you want to write it, okay? Next one, third Roman letter. Match the following. Stone, abiotic factor. Bacteria, decomposer. Plants, producers. Buffalo, consumer. Say true or false. Abiotic factors are important for biotic factors. True. River is an example for biotic factor. True. Van Mahotsav is organized during the first week of July every year. True. Plants are the consumers. False. Plants provide food and shelter to living things. True. Answer the following. Vijay placed two things P and R, one living and one non-living, in separate cages with the food and water. Number of weeks, weight of R, okay, weight of P. Week 1, 2 kg, 1.5 kg. Week 2, 4 kg, 1.5 kg. Week 3, 6 kg, 1.5 kg. Week 4, 8 kg, 1.5 kg. In this, we can differentiate that it's a living thing. That's why it is growing. This is non-living thing. That's why it's not growing. Nothing changes. No changes at all. Here we can see where it changes. Okay. Which thing is likely to be living things? Which thing can you see? Weight of P or weight of R? Yeah, weight of P. Give reason for your answer. Why we are selecting P? Because day by week it is growing. Week by week it is growing. Second one, write two example for biotic and abiotic factor. Write two example for biotic and abiotic factor. You can see the page number 60. The answer will be there. So, example for biotic is lion, plantain, dog, human being. Abiotic factor example, air, soil, water, sunlight, temperature. So this is the answer. Okay, Kana? Third one, write any three differences between living and non-living things. Page number 61, the answer will be, that is biotic factors, living things, abiotic factors, non-living things. Biotic factors, they can breathe and grow. Abiotic factors, they cannot breathe and grow. They need food to live. They do not need food to live. They can feel, they cannot feel. They give birth to young ones. They do not give birth to young ones. Okay, cuties? So, this is the third one answer. Fourth one, list the abiotic factors needed for insects. List the abiotic factors needed for insects. Answer will be in page number 63. Answer is this. For insects, you want to draw like this. Soil, small creatures, plants, air. Soil, small creatures, plants, air. That is the fourth one answer, Kana. Fifth one, what are the biotic factors of a balanced ecosystem? What are the biotic factors of a balanced ecosystem? Page number 65. An ecosystem is balanced when the biotic and abiotic factors are able to cycle the energy and food as per their need. The abiotic factors is an ecosystem includes producers, consumers and decomposers. Okay, so this is the answer for fifth one. Sixth one, why plants are called primary producers? Page number 65, the answer is A. The living things that can prepare their own food are called producers. Green plants are the producers. They make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Hence, they are called primary producers. Okay. So, this is your sixth one answer. Sixth one answer. Clear, Kana? Next, seventh one. Write any 4 benefits of plant. It's a page number 67. Here, benefits of plants: provides oxygen for breathing, provides food and shelter to living things, absorb harmful gases and smoke from the surrounding, give wood for making furniture, offer good environment to live, help in bringing rainfalls. So, this is your benefits of plant. Okay, children. So, this is your book work. So, in the book, you want to write this one word answers. In the classwork, in the science classwork, you want to write this question answer. 7 question answers you can write it. Okay, children. So today's your homework is this 7 question and answer you want to write in the notebook. One word answers all you can write in the book back. Okay. Thank you, children.